Hey guys, today I'm gonna teach you simple and basic programming in Dev C++. So first of all, you have to install Dev C++ in your system. So now you open a Dev C++. So when you will open the Dev C++, this kind of interface will be on your screen. We are gonna open a new file from here, source file. So first of all, you have to write a common library for Dev C++, which is hash include iostream, then a standard, and then int main. Okay, now we'll define the variables which are going to take in this program. For example, int x, y, and z. Then we'll initialize these variables with the values. For example, x equals to 9, y equals to 5, and z equals to x plus y. Okay, for the output of this program, we will write cout z angel and return 0. Okay, now we will run this program. So we're given a name xyz. Okay, so this is our output 14. So this is a simple and basic program for Dev C++. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you didn't subscribe yet, so please subscribe our channel Pyrex T. Thank you.